In this video, we'll be having a look at uget download manager for Linux, which provides visible speed boosts and has downright impressive features. As a person who downloads a lot, the advantages of using a download manager are huge for me. Apart from getting far better download speeds, we also get superior control over our downloads in terms of pause and continue support, which is just terrible in the default download managers of browsers even today. Scheduling downloads when you sleep, adjusting the download speeds so that you don't have to stare at the loading screen on YouTube while your download tasks are eating up all the bandwidth are all just very crucial things that you miss out when you don't use a download manager. Right into it, there are a ton of download managers available for Linux, but we'll be seeing the best one today, which has all the features you'll ever need. Uget is a very popular choice for a download manager because of the amazing things it has to offer. First of all, uget is very simple to use. It is an install once and forget application with a really simple interface. The default settings are optimized and the whole thing works great out of the box. You will see improved and stable download speeds immediately. The interface is simple and provides an informative overview of the downloads. The downloads are neatly organized into categories on the left panel. The basic controls are provided right here. There's a pause, resume, and a set properties button. From here, you can set various things like the download location, file name, etc. You can also set the maximum connection, which brings us to the topic of multi-threaded downloads. One huge advantage of using a download manager over the default downloader is multi-threading. Instead of creating one connection between the client and the server, multiple connections are made. Uget allows up to 16 connections per download. So there's a significantly less chance of a download failing, because if one connection fails, there are 15 more connections going strong. But in a browser, if the one connection disconnects, the whole download fails. Multi-threading massively boosts your download speeds. There's visible speed boost as you are downloading the same file through multiple connections. The download speeds also remain stable. If you have a high-speed internet connection, uget download manager will help you get your money's worth. If you have many downloads queued, uget manages them intelligently by allowing 3 tasks at a time. It protects the transfer by making sure that downloads don't fail because the bandwidth is getting split between too many files. Of course, all these settings can be personalized based on your schedule and network speeds. For power users, uget has a feature called categories. Categories allow you to create various presets. And these presets can be triggered by various factors like whether you are downloading a video or a Linux ISO file, or whether you are downloading from an educational site and more. This is very useful for advanced users and people who download a lot and need an optimized system to manage downloads. Now moving on to settings. Firstly, we have the basic settings here, like if you want uget to start at system startup and more. The defaults are good enough. Next up, we have the clipboard settings, which help you copy a download link and start the download very conveniently. Then in bandwidth, we have the option to set the maximum bandwidth you want uget to utilize. This is a great feature which I absolutely love. Let's say you start a large download in your browser and then while it downloads, you decide to watch some Linux text videos on YouTube. But since all the bandwidth is being utilized by the download, Linux text videos keep buffering or start playing in ridiculously low resolutions. Not good. So you can set the maximum speed uget should use here, thereby allowing some bandwidth for other tasks. Now you can watch Linux text in 1080p, and if you subscribe to my channel, you can watch in 4K 3D with 8D surround sound. Then in the scheduler, you can set downloads on and off for every hour of the week. As soon as you're back home from work or college, you want the downloads on your home computer to pause so that you can check out your social media and stuff at full speeds. Set the downloads to continue again after you go back to bed. You get the idea. You can leave the rest of the things as they are. Now let's talk about the installation. You can download and install uget from the default software store on all the Linux distros. On Ubuntu and Ubuntu-based Linux distros, open the terminal and run sudo apt-install uget. You also need the browser integration for the downloads to start in uget instead of the browser. To install the integrator, run the commands in the description or use the link. Then from the browser you use, go to the extensions or web app store and download the uget extension. The link for these extensions is also given in the description below. Once this is done, any download you initiate will start in uget and download at much better speeds. How is uget better than other download managers? To begin with, uget is completely open source. Its code can be read by anyone. It's available on Linux, Windows and Android. Uget is completely free to use. It offers professional grade user experience and has all the features that a download manager ought to have. Cost-wise, you are saving a lot as some download managers on Windows charge up to $5 per year. Yes sir, you need to pay a regular subscription to use the same features that uget provides for free. If you use and love uget, you can go ahead to the official website and donate some amount. Next, let's talk about the question of, do you really need a download manager today where internet speeds are measured in gigabytes per second? Sure, download speeds have improved significantly in the last 5 years, and not everybody finds the need to use a download manager nowadays. Add to that, we are all streaming movies and TV shows now, and we don't download whole seasons of shows as we did before. So why exactly do I need a download manager? To be honest, if you download less and/or small files, you are absolutely fine without a download manager. But if you download larger files and do that frequently, you are saving a lot of time with a download manager in the long run. And you significantly reduce the risk of download failures. Have you forgotten how it feels when a large download fails at 99%? Using a download manager also reduces the chance of your download getting corrupted greatly. So uget goes into my list of must-have software. Do give it a try. The install instructions are given in the description below. If you found this video helpful, do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon. This is Linux Techs. See you in the next one.